And that's not only the case with them, that's the case with everyone. Because you have to manage your office, you have to manage this and that. And above all this, I'm going to be on your head to cover this and that. So it's going to be more pressurizing now. So the earlier you feel the pressure, the better it is. Those who are not pressured now, they're going to be very much pressured later. So it's okay. It's very normal. Tomorrow your health will deteriorate. You will tell me that, Kunal, my health is not good. I have this problem. I have that problem. I'm used to it. This is all going to happen, and this is all going to happen till the last. You are never going to be relaxed with CFA.
Yes.
That's okay.
I reduced my 1 day. Initially, I used to go 5 days. I reduced.
Okay.
I'm just going 4 days now.
Oh, is it?
So I can study.
And see,
yes.
I think now FRA, when you revise FRA, you won't take time. FRA revision is going to happen very quick. Unlike quants, you have to do every questions. In FRA, you don't have to do that. Just today, when you revise today or tomorrow, whenever you revise FRA, tell me the time that you took for FRA. It's not going to take more than 3 hours to revise everything that we've done. So I may take a 10-hour session of FRA, your revision will be half of it. But when I do QM 10 hours, your revision is 20 hours. That's a change here. FR is lengthiest, but it happens quick.
Okay.
So notice that change and let me know if you feel that change. In QM, every sum you had to, if I have done that sum in the class in 5 minutes, you had to do 10 minutes by yourself.
Yes, it was taking more time. Yes.
It's going to take time because every sum I had put up was unique. You had to stop at every sum. I had not given 2 sums which are similar. But in case of FRA, it's smooth. You do the revision of FRA. Let's say we've taken today 4 hours and in the last session we took around 3 hours. So we took 7 hours, assuming 7 hours for these 3 readings, right? You notice how much time you take for revising these 3 readings. Okay. It's not going to be 7 for sure. It's going to be almost half of it. That's the difference you will see in FRA, in equities, in portfolio. All these readings now will be turning faster.
Okay.